In a historic move, the Legislative Assembly of São Paulo has officially applauded the Biafran people and recognized May 30 as Biafra Heroes and Heroines Day. The resolution, known as Motion Number 186 of 2026, was published in the official Gazette of the State of São Paulo on May 29, 2026. It pays tribute to those who fought and died during the Nigeria-Biafra Civil War, 1967 to 1970. The document strongly describes the war as one of the greatest humanitarian tragedies on the African continent in the 20th century, stating that it resulted in the genocide of 3 million Biafrans. The Legislative Assembly of the State of São Paulo manifests a motion of applause to the Biafran people in commemoration of Biafra Heroes and Heroines Day, to be celebrated on May 30th, as a symbol of resistance, so that the world does not forget the Nigeria-Biafra Civil War. The motion explains that Biafra was forcibly annexed to Nigeria during British colonization without the consent of its people. In 1967, Biafrans declared independence and existed as a sovereign state until 1970, while fighting for self-determination. A major highlight in the document is the historical connection with Brazil through football legend Pelé. In February 1969, during a Santos Football Club tour to Africa, the presence of King Pelé helped bring about a temporary ceasefire, an episode immortalized in world collective memory as the day Pelé stopped a war. The Assembly praised the Brazilian people for welcoming Biafran refugees and integrating them into society. It concluded by formally applauding Biafrans for their struggle for freedom. The Legislative Assembly of the State of São Paulo applauds the historic struggle of the Biafran heroes and heroines for the right to enjoy the principle of self-determination of peoples, a clause enshrined by the United Nations, UN. The motion was dated May 28, 2026, and signed by Brazilian Senator and São Paulo Assembly member. This is one of the strongest official recognitions of the Biafran cause by a legislative body outside Africa. Analysts say the motion gives fresh international attention to the Biafran struggle for self-determination and keeps the memory of self-determination alive. The full document is now part of São Paulo's official legislative records.